So this is how you replace your cabin air filter for a Mazda CX-5 no, this is 2017, and I think the models go all the way to 23, if I'm not right. Somebody could correct me on that. So instead of going to the dealership and paying the 100 and change, whatever they ask you for, just go ahead and open this tab where your what is that, your console is, and take out all your junk you have in there. I ordered mine from Amazon. I think it was Amazon. If I'm not right, I think I ordered it from like Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone. So it has a tab here that holds the where you put your things. So you want to release this by pushing it to the right, and then it's released. Now it's still in there, so this has two pins, that one here and one here. What you want to do is just push them in. Let me see if I could get this on video. So you want to push both sides in at the same time so that the I don't know if I'm gonna get it on video there or not, but you want to just push these two in, and then it pops down. Go down. Now that it's back in place, you see that? You want to go ahead and put this back up. So I'm trying to set this over here. You can still see what's going on. And like I said, you want to push these two inward so that they click inside, and it's in place. See, it's back in place. And then this, you just want to like grab it, pull it out a little bit, and pop it back in place there. And there you go. You just saved yourself a couple $100. See? And you can go ahead and put your junk back in there, and that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're gonna be showing you how to replace a cabin filter for a Mazda CX-5 2021. It's in the glove box. So see, wifey right here taking out her things, hella things in there. And we're doing this video, so you know, just saying, even ladies can do this. You know, it's not that hard. It's better to do it yourself than to take it to the dealer and get charged like hella money just for this. I think they charge like $100 to swap these out, which is crazy. Alright, so you see this here? Yeah. You're gonna push this tab this way out. Like this. You're gonna pull on it and pull it out like that. And then... Is that one? Yeah, so now these two things, you're gonna squish them in and push it down slowly. That one doesn't have a button. No, you're not listening. These two things, you're gonna squish them together, and you're gonna have to move your leg. You're gonna squish them and then push it down slowly. No, squish them, and then slowly. Yep, there you go. Now look, you're gonna have the filter is that one right there. Open that one up. That's the new filter, cabin filter. And you see how it is. The same way you take it out, it's gonna go in. So you're just gonna pull the tab and wiggle it out. So she's gonna pull the tab slowly and wiggle it out.
I can't really see.
Oh damn, that thing dirty. Damn! That thing hella dirty. Alright. And then just slowly push it back in. And make sure the clicks in there. Good. So the same way. No, está arreglando aquí un. Yeah, you squish the sides and push it up slowly. And then this, you're gonna pull it down like this. And then you gotta catch it onto there and then just push it. It's like a little ball. Yeah, there you go. You see? And we'll see if tested, if it opens and closes. There you go. It's supposed to open by itself. You see? Ah, hey, she did it. That's a tutorial on a Mazda CX-5 cabin air filter.